What happens when two barbecue legends like Weber and Blackstone join forces? Well, we're about to find out. The Weber and Blackstone merger could completely change the way we cook outdoors. Let's dive into that partnership and see what it means to us barbecue enthusiasts. On December 2nd, 2024, Weber and Blackstone, two household names in outdoor cooking, announced that they're teaming up. While they're not merging products just yet, this partnership is still a huge deal. Weber will keep doing what it does best, creating those iconic grills we all love, and Blackstone will stay focused on making those amazing griddles. But here's the exciting part. Weber's global reach means Blackstone grills are going to end up in a lot more homes, which means even more growth and innovation for both brands while sticking to what they're known for. We've seen mergers in the barbecue world before, like when W.C. Bradley acquired Danson's US in 2023, bringing together brands like Charbroil and Pit Boss, or when American Outdoor Brands stepped into the barbecue scene in 2022, acquiring Gorilla Grills and making a splash with their Wi-Fi enabled pellet grills. But what sets the Weber and Blackstone merger apart is the chance to combine grilling and griddling in one setup. This isn't just about adding new products, it's about creating a whole new way to cook outdoors. So what does this mean for us barbecue lovers? Well, get ready for some exciting new products and features. First off, I can totally see Weber developing new cast iron or rolled steel accessories for their grills. And who knows, maybe even some of those Blackstone innovative griddle features will show up in the Weber Slate griddle. But the biggest perk is versatility. Imagine grilling up some juicy steaks on your Weber with charcoal and then flipping pancakes or eggs on the Blackstone propane griddle, all with one compact setup. Two backyard barbecue classics combined into one awesome product. And with both brands working together, we can see accessories that work across both systems. That means you won't be stuck with items made for just one brand or one way of cooking. Considering both Weber and Blackstone have built a solid reputation for quality and durability, we can count on these new products to be built to last and come along with a great warranty. So there you have it, the Weber and Blackstone merger in a nutshell. I'm seriously excited about the possibilities for the future of outdoor cooking. What do you think? Is this a win for barbecue lovers or not? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're hungry for more barbecue content, check out this video right here where I grilled some killer ribs on a kettle grill. I'll see you there.